I didn't get into any type of street drugs until post-fusion. I was doing a lot of drugs.
There are no socioeconomic bounds. It affects people from all areas of life.
I was injured in 2013, ended up having 3 levels fused in 2015. So as far as pain medication, I was put on some pretty heavy stuff almost immediately. And then it was a work comp injury, so while they were fighting my case, they just kept me on pain meds. So I went from like 5 milligrams of hydrocodone to having a fentanyl patch right before I had surgery. So I really escalated quickly. I was married at the time, and he had a pretty severe addiction himself. He started taking a lot of my pain medications, and it got to where I had no pain medication, and I was in a lot of pain. He was doing heroin at the time, so I started doing that with him. The first time I did it, I knew that it was going to be a problem because it helped so much.
There has been an increase in addiction, and that comes from a combination of factors that has led to overuse of narcotic analgesics, pain medications, and then a shift to heroin.
My parents had a spare set of keys to my car. There's quite a bit of drug paraphernalia in the car. So once they saw that, they called in a wellness check. 6 days in isolation, and then I spent 14 days total in jail.
Alcoholism, drug addiction is something that you need to be able to address it when the patient is ready to get help.
I was in jail. I was in a Huber dorm, so people were bringing things in. I called my parents and I was like, I need some sort of treatment. There are drugs here, I need something.
For a long time, the Dewey Center has been recognized as a very reputable treatment facility. Our new facility will provide a body to house our heart and our soul, the structure and support that offers a warm and vibrant treatment facility so that people can come out of the darkness and into the light.
So as beautiful as this building is, it isn't the building that makes the difference here. It's the caring people and the way in which they deliver the care that makes the difference.
Dewey means everything to families of people with addictions and addicts themselves. Everyone who works at Dewey cares so much, but it means everything. Without places like this, people are just, it's just a revolving door. I would be back in jail had I not gone through treatment, or prison, or dead.
Our new capacity will allow us to treat individuals when they're ready, willing, and able to get treatment.
But when you're in active addiction, you don't think there's anywhere out, or that anyone cares, or that you can do this, and there's so much shame that goes with it. Best thing you can do is just asking for help. It's that initial step, doing it. And places like this are why people can do that. So I wasn't looking for the Dewey Center when I found it, but I'm glad I did.